Kasur na kinongilam ka BGP unit halo karai Pynjlan ni Elekson MDC Hakha Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC but Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC sahan riunahi kamlong kumju hanrei kai pher uwei na weipan habakran siglat pathai kubor unong aitien ka BGP Meghalaya unit uba MH Kharkrang ulong baka Nongrim jong sarkar MDA2 kam Shai satya batla ban pnia ya Elekshon MDC kumma julong munswa bat uneu nongelam ulong kanja ayu lada ka delimitation committee ba Kanja ayu lada ki delimitation committee ban penbai 20 ya constituency kimla ban pendap hakin rubenai
ni shui ba Pynjlan mo tamba ni reasons ba Pynjlan come done as far as I know you can extend the term of the district council tamba long kadi bandan ka valid reasons an emergency kind of situation the here government will have to spell out what is the reason should be a valid reason delimitation makna lada ki la nam la patkut kan gin ri banai ki yo mtaru marka tu la yo song hamslam now groundwork panle ke now suppose you're not able to complete within 6 months then what happens
so
do you extend again
like you said
no whether it's an emergency situation or not that is what public would want to know from the government what are the emergency situation what are the exigencies that will warrant the extension of the district council see so now you cannot extend the term of the district council on flimsy grounds and all there has to be some valid reason so we leave it to the government to come clear on that now if government feels that we have reached an emergency situation where we have to finish off this delimitation exercise before we start the new elections so now the government will have to come clear on that as to what is the emergency in that case.
Katba nakaliang ba elek MLA ka party but menteri sarkar MDA2 ulong bakalong ka Donkam ban penbai 20 constituency but ya ka jingkno kiwei halo kane nakaliang ju uhi umkwa ban kan tho ai
of the governor for the delimitations of the district council of the Khasi and Jaintia Autonomous District Council. For that reason, the government yesterday, the cabinet, I was not of course in the cabinet, but the decision taken to postpone the district council election for the next 6 months. See, this delimitation also is one of the important decisions of the states and the districts.
what do you have to say?
See, there are people, many, they have their different opinions. The different opinion of other people I cannot say.